If you work in industrial automation, you've probably heard at least one of these before. Automation is too expensive, automation replaces people, or automation is just too complicated. And believe it or not, we've actually heard all of those too. But here's the thing, most of those assumptions are actually just myths. So in this new series, Automation Myths Debunked, we're gonna separate fact from fiction and show you what automation really looks like in 2025 and why it's not as intimidating as you might think. So automation has evolved. It's no longer just for massive production lines or cutting-edge data centers. Today, automation can be found everywhere, from small research labs to energy management. But despite how common it's become, a lot of people still misunderstand it. So let's start with the basics. What is industrial automation really? At its core, automation is just about taking repetitive or time-sensitive tasks and letting technology handle them reliably so you don't have to. That could mean a module that automatically turns on a backup pump when water levels rise, like a WISE controller, or a module like a DL data logger adjusting cooling when rack temperatures change. Industrial automation isn't meant to replace people, it empowers them by removing the manual busywork so they can focus on higher level tasks. And something that most engineers just don't realize is that their facility is probably already partially automated, they just don't realize it. If you have sensors, PLCs, or any monitoring software, well, congrats, you're already halfway there. The real difference between a manual and an automated system isn't about fancy hardware, it's about how your systems communicate. That's where protocols like Modbus RTU and Modbus TCP come in. They let your existing equipment talk to each other no matter the brand or age. With just a few modular upgrades like a TGW Series Modbus to Ethernet gateway to connect older serial devices to your network, you can transform a legacy system into a modern, intelligent system. So now that we know what automation is, let's talk about why people still hesitate to use it. Some engineers think automation means tearing out everything old and starting over. Others think it's too complex, too expensive, or even that it replaces jobs. But these are all misconceptions, so let me tell you the truth. Automation isn't about replacing, it's about enhancing. It's about making your existing systems smarter, more efficient, and more connected. Think of it like updating your phone. The hardware stays the same, but suddenly everything works better together. And the best part is you don't have to be a huge corporation to automate. Small manufacturers, farms, and facilities do it every single day, often starting small and building up as they go. It could start with something as simple as connecting sensors for remote monitoring, and before you know it, you're running a smarter, safer, and more efficient operation. Over the next episodes in this new series, we're going to be tackling the biggest myths head on, ensuring you have everything you need to start building a smarter, more efficient facility. So if you're wondering whether automation is right for your business, stick around, because by the end of this series, you'll see that industrial automation isn't just the future, it's already here, and it's easier to start than you think.